Arrested for DUI, released by police, then killed while walking on the Ike. The victim's family members now suing as they dig for answers. WGN's Dan Ponce joins us with their story. Dan.
Mark, the family of Diana Paz says police should never have dropped her off at the gas station near the Eisenhower because they say she was still too intoxicated to walk herself home. State police say that isn't true and that they gave her a ride as a courtesy. Early Friday morning, 25-year-old Diana Paz was pulled over on the Eisenhower by a state trooper. She was intoxicated and driving the wrong way on the expressway. The trooper took her to the Westchester Police Station where she was charged with DUI. A few hours later, she bonded herself out of jail. She told police she had no family and no ride, so she requested to be dropped off at this BP gas station near the Ike. But soon after she was dropped off, she decided to walk home along the median of the Eisenhower. She was hit by a pickup truck and killed. Relatives say they don't understand why she was dropped off at the gas station in the first place.
On behalf of my family, we just want, answers, and I just want this justice supposed to be served. I mean, it needs to be cleared out and everything. I believe that it's just not fair of what happened to her.
Today at the Daily Center, the family's lawyer, Timothy Cavanagh, filed a motion to have all evidence in the case preserved. He and the family want access to the medical examiner's autopsy report, the police report from that morning, and the surveillance video from the BP station.
We believe will show that Diana was intoxicated, impaired, and why the police would drop off a young woman at 5 in the morning at a gas station when she's impaired and drunk is beyond me.
Illinois State Police say it didn't happen like that at all. A spokesperson declined to go on camera because it's an ongoing investigation, but wants to acknowledge several important points. State police say Diana Paz was alert and coherent when she bonded herself out of jail early that morning. By law, an arrestee cannot be held against his or her will after posting bail, so police had no choice but to release her. And finally, Illinois State Police are not required to transport stranded motorists, but they will give rides as a courtesy if the destination is within reason. Doesn't matter, according to the Paz family, who say they believe evidence will prove Diana Paz was still too intoxicated to show good judgment when she was released.
She was alert and sober, then none of this would have happened. She could have at least called someone or I don't know. It's just that I believe she just wasn't all in her senses.
Diana Paz was a single mother. She leaves behind a 5-year-old son. So far, her family has not filed a lawsuit, though it appears they are moving in that direction. The next hearing regarding the evidence in the case is set for 2 weeks from today. Mark and Micah.
Dan Ponce, thanks.